Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ginger muffins. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. Don't forget 1 cup of packed brown sugar, a half cup of unsalted butter, and 2 tablespoons of freshly grated ginger. Also, have 1 large egg, a half cup of molasses, and a half cup of milk ready to go. These simple items will form the delicious base of our muffins. Now let's combine our ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, baking soda, salt, and spices. In a separate bowl, melt the butter, then stir in the brown sugar, egg, molasses, milk, and grated ginger until well blended. Gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix gently with a spoon or spatula until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough muffins. A few lumps are perfectly fine. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a standard 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners or grease it well. Evenly divide the batter among the muffin cups, filling each one about 2/3 full. Place the tin in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 18 to 22 minutes. The muffins are ready when they are golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Your kitchen will smell amazing. Once baked, carefully remove the muffin tin from the oven. Let the muffins cool in the tin for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. This allows them to set properly and prevents them from becoming soggy. Allow them to cool completely on the rack, or enjoy them warm if you prefer. These ginger muffins are perfect for breakfast, a snack, or with a cup of tea. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.